think I fixed that. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing Shotgun King. I've also just got my green screen working. I don't really plan on using it that much, but I mean, well for videos like this, but I mean, pretty exciting stuff. I've had a bit of an interesting method where I got rid of all the green bit, but then for some reason that left me partly transparent. So I've just copy pasted the camera over itself to make me more opaque. But I don't think I'm meant to do that. But I mean, it works for now. It's all good. It's all good for now. Okay. Also, I'm not wearing the headphones just because it's really loud for some reason, and I haven't gone to the menu yet, so I don't know how to turn the volume down. Okay, but yeah, we're doing Shotgun King. I've heard good stuff about Shotgun King. Exciting stuff. Let's see. Okay, as soon as I press it, there's options. Oh, and it's gone off. Why has it gone off on OBS? What? It just vanished. The second I press a button, it's just gone. What? Huh? It's black just now, so I'm just gonna... Okay, we're just gonna have to play it in windowed mode. As much as I hate windowed mode, we're gonna play it in windowed mode. Ah! That's weird. I didn't know I could do that. Okay. HD text. Yeah, we don't need HD text. I mean, at least I can make it like this, so at least you don't have to watch it in windowed mode. I can spare you my pain. Okay, let's go. Part of me still really wants to fix the window thing, but I can't. I'm sure. Can I? I play in windowed mode, but I look at the screen on OBS, because then I'll just, if I'm looking at it from the OBS screen, why is it being weird? Oh, it's because I looked at it. But then if I look at it from the OBS screen, I can just get rid of the top. That does mean I have to look at my face, which is unfortunate, but at the same time, this might be the solution. Okay, so we've got full screen off, but I can then... Wait, can I even watch my own OBS? How do I watch? I don't really want to just look at the... Yeah, because this is just a tiny window. This is worse. This is so much worse. Because this is... It's just the window border is just the entire OBS software. It's so stupid. Wait, this is scale to window button. Is that gonna do it? Canvas. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, because OBS is still gonna, obviously OBS is still gonna apparently I should run OBS as administrator according to ChatGPT. Yeah, I'm resorting to ChatGPT is what I've been doing. That's how desperate the situation has gotten. But no, okay, we're playing it in windowed mode. I think we should start with the tutorial. I think that would be wise. Although it's tempting to just figure it out. Nah, I'll be on the safe side. Let's start with the tutorial. The Black King had been an extravagant and unpleasant ruler. As the years went by, more and more of his subjects were won over by the White King, who offered higher wages and genuinely decent work, and then they took his castle. His knights even resigned from their service. Even his wife, the Queen, abandoned him. So it's just communism versus capitalism, right? Anyway. Well, maybe not communism versus capitalism, but like... Never mind. Your Majesty, thou hast been abandoned by all. Only I remain to help and advise thee. May I suggest a tactical retreat? Traitor! Thou look absurd in white. I fear we aren't too vulnerable for this. Please, let us get back into thine fortress. Yes, let's. I've got an idea on how to remedy this disgrace anyway. Oh, there's so much lore in the tutorial. Oh, I can look around. Whoa. I know the bishop's saying I played chess. Choose where to move. What if I move onto the diagonal line? Oh, it just won't let me. Just... Why can't I take the piece? Oh, do I have to checkmate it or something? I've got to avoid the white bishop and go into the castle, is what it says. Is the castle this way? Okay, we want to restrict its movements somehow. I don't know how. Or we just want to go... We want to go inside the castle, but I don't see a castle. Where's the castle? Is it that? I mean, I tried going down before, and it didn't really do anything. Yay, I win. Oh, that was the castle. I thought I already got there. Oh, it doesn't count if it's the corner. Okay, there it is, my most faithful of servants. My most faithful of servants. Sire, what dost thou intend? What do you think? It's the greatest of all the servants. The shotgun. Oh yeah. I think I might have to... Do I have to bleep that? I don't know. Okay. Absolute Muppet mouth. Oh yeah. Absolute rookie. Because he's a rook, get it? Get it? Get it? He's a rookie because he's a rook. Get it? Okay. This is the ammunition currently inside your shotgun. You can keep shooting as long as you have some left. Oh, okay. I thought that you could keep shooting with 0 ammo. To reload, simply move your king or press space. Oh, wait, there was another line. No! Wait, no. I thought that was all there was. Where was the other text? No, I just saw, like, this piece of text just flashed there. Okay, I'm sure I can figure this out. Okay. Oh, because it's like a shotgun. It's like very... It like sprays out, doesn't it? We don't want to... You useless pile of bricks, must you force me to reload? For space. Yay, we win. And here comes the Royal Cavalry. No. Okay. Absolute muppet. I can pause the game. Yeah, no, it does still mess with OBS. Alright lads, we're playing the game. No, playing the game blind. Okay, no, we're not doing full screen. As much as it still pains me. Okay, the knight's moving in an L shape. Yeah, I know. For some reason I assumed they'd just die when they got shot. I don't know why. Definitely don't want to be there. Yay. Okay. I'm starting to get the idea. Fire powder and the sight of flying pieces of traitorous subjects feeling more and more alive by the minute. Is that the Queen? I've got to choose. Add one Queen. Oh, so does this mean that we're adding both an enemy and we're getting a boost? Okay. Whoa, all hail the royal couple, eh? I'll give you hail, alright? Lead hail. Let's shotgun them up. We're gonna leave our lawn. From now on, you can die if you're not careful. I thought I could die before. Right? Luckily, these shields will protect you from immediate mistakes. They refill after each turn. You can change the number of shields in the options. Okay, there they are. Can I hit them from here? No, I didn't think I could. Right. No! No! Okay, we've died now. I didn't see that. Oh, because I killed the pawn. The queen could come. Okay. Oh. Oh, when we take the king, they all die. With the white army gone... Oh, I've just hit my green screen. There we go. With the white army gone, a black bishop came to the black king, giving him his own haunted resignation. Told him this: "Thou art still a king of the worst sort, yet thine reign is still holy. Thou shalt retain a claim over thine former subject souls, and we may yet have cause to fear thine wrath. Thus heed my warning. The wrath of a man, as godly as might there be, is ever his undoing." Oh, and we've got the king's head as a cross. That's religious imagery right there. We're gonna crucify ourselves. Ooh, this is why I took literature, lads. Let's go. Okay. And now the Black King was truly abandoned by all, except the shotgun, with not a rook left to his name. All he had left was his prized royal shotgun, the shreds of his dignity, and the growing fires of his prophesied wrath. Ever my undoing, was it? Undone. What does that mean? Ever my... Normally I'm good with words. What does that mean? ever, ever my undoing, was it? Undone. What? Yeah, I just don't know what those sentences mean. Just what more exactly could I lose? In his dark folly, the king loaded the shotgun again and went to meet his final checkmate. Oh, that's the name of the game! That's the name of the game! It's Final Checkmate! The Shotgun King Final Checkmate! The final checkmate. Alright, throne mode. Also, we can choose from a few different. Wait, was one of them Ramses the Second? Yes, Ramses the Second! Ozymandias, let's go! What did that say? Get 100% knockback chance to unlock the shotgun. Okay, so I'm assuming that every time we get those two cards, and one of them will give us shotgun. No, shotgun? One of them will give us knockback, right? So whenever we get knockback, we want to take it, basically. So we can get Ozymandias. Yep, we know. What? Okay, nothing seems to be a threat right now. That is a threat. Ooh, we have a soul. Wait. Ah, so once we kill them, we can move like them. Okay. I'm just gonna keep that for now, because I don't really need it. Oh, I thought I could hit both of them, but maybe not. Okay. Wait, I've got no ammo? What do I do when I've got no ammo? Do I have to take them manually? Oh, I get it when I move. Should have just gone for this guy at the start, probably. I don't think there's anything he can do. There we go. Sacred Light. I get a grenade, and I'm immune to grenade damage. Ah, okay. Okay. -1 speed on bleeding pieces. Okay, I haven't quite got this figured out, but I'm figuring it out. Undead armies. Replace knights, bishops, and rooks with pawns after they die. What is -1 speed? Okay, neither of these are knockback, but I think we'll just take the grenade one. I think that means one of the pawns can also promote. So we'll have to live with that. Oh, it's kind of cool how we get power-ups, but the enemy also gets power-ups to make it harder. That's a good way of doing it. I like that. Maybe we should try aiming for the king more directly this time. Ooh. Do we want to try the horse thing? No. Oh, grenade! I forgot I can do that. Oh dear. Okay, so we can't move there. Can't move there. We can move there, but that was dangerous. Damn, okay. Hey! I think that might be the strat. Just go after the king. Ritual dagger. So adds 2 bishops after 15 turns and +1 grenade. Yeah, let's just go grenades. Why not? Okay, the king's there. Oh, because the thing. Yep. And that could happen after 15 turns, but we won't let it get to 15 turns. Oh. Or we will, but not. Does it show there? Oh. Okay. Blade. I didn't even know we had a blade. Add another queen. Okay, yeah, we're adding queens. Every 8 turns. Yeah, okay, that looks useful. I don't know how many grenades we have. I don't know how to know that. Right. Hmm? Oh, yeah, that would have been awful. Oh. Okay, yeah, that queen, we need to do something about her. Quick! Oh dear. That's him up! Hey! Clutch! Clutch! The power of clutch! Okay. Shooting moves you backwards. Oh, okay. 2 +2 firepower, -1 fire range. Okay, range is very important. So we basically don't really seem to gain anything from picking this. We just get +1 firepower because this other card takes it away. Remove 1 knight, add 2 bishops. Yes, yes, we want range. We want range. We love range, lads. Okay. Oh, that was not what I meant to do. There is a queen right there, so I should be careful. Run, attack the king! Oh dear. Oh. This is That's not good. Not good, lads. Attack. What am I attacked by? Oh, dear. Okay, this game just got a bit scary. Oh, we can view how many hearts they have. The queen actually has less lives than the king, so it makes sense to attack her. Okay, yeah, I can see why this game gets difficult now. Oh dear. Just shoot them? Oh. There are like no spaces left. I'm like nearly in checkmate already. Okay, so I think the bishops and the rooks and everything is the main problem here. So let's just stop some of them and then attack them. Okay, we don't want to go that way. I think that would be bad. But then again, I think it is also our only option to go that way. So we'll just have to hope we can fight the queen. Why does it go around? Like she's invulnerable. What? Grr. Yes. Okay. Oh, he was one shot anyway? Oh, that just looks like another benefit to me. Kingly arms? Is that meant to say arms? I don't know. This looks like a good thing though. This one seems to have just two good things. Because my opponents lose health and I get more ammo when I kill rooks. So you know. The only bad thing is that there's another rook, which isn't great. But oh, that was a good shot. So does this determine how much range, like how big the arc is? There's a lot of stuff going on because of all the bishops. Why are there so many bishops? Oh. Oh, okay. So it's just I forgot what that one did. Okay, yeah. That's why there's so many bishops. Everything dangerous just seems to be there. So let's just do that. Hey, we got the queen. Let's go. For another grenade. Oh, it just promoted to a queen. Hey! I forgot we still have the knight thing. I forgot to use that. How did we get the knight suck? Maybe we have to use a soul to then be able to get another one. I love how he's jumping over. The horse looks so clueless. Backups adds 3 pawns. I mean, pawns aren't a problem, really. What? Queens and bishops can't attack you at less than 2 range. Well, this one's not good because it will just make them run away basically, and then attack me from longer range, which is not good. So yeah, I don't think these are either of these are particularly good. But this would be a lot less annoying, so I'm going with this one. Oh, they're starting to get like a more full row because you can see there's the king, there's the queen, the rook should be there really, and I don't know what's going on with the bishops. But other than that, it is a pretty menacing row, though. I can't lie. That got a load of things. Okay. So grenade then attack is a good strat, basically. Okay. Oh, okay. What am I being attacked by? Oh, rook. Okay. What a rookie. Okay, we got the queen. Not gonna mess with the pawn. Oh. Shoot him. He's still alive. Get him again. Yay! Still haven't used the knight thing. What does the blade do? I've never seen that. Add 1 queen, but queen's moves are limited to 3 squares. Okay, that's actually a benefit. I can't lie. I guess we'll find out what blade does. I'm guessing it's just when you're next to someone, obviously. Something like that. Okay, we've stunned a load of pawns, which isn't that useful. But at least we're getting through the front lines. Okay. Okay. Okay, I probably shouldn't have moved there. But I've still got my knight's soul. But I don't think I can actually move anywhere with that right now. Actually, no, I can move there. No, I can't. Can't move there. Can't move there. I feel like I'm just still saving the knights thing to an extent. So grenade, and then shooting is a good combo. Okay, that's not good. Look at the amount of bishops. That's not good at all. Get away. Ah! Ah! Why do we have another queen? Ah! Okay, so what am I being attacked by? Mainly just that thing. Can I go there? What is attacking me now? Oh, it's okay. There's a lot of bishops. I think I could have done with the knights thing more now. I can't move there, or there, or there. And I'm in check. So technically it's checkmate. But there might still be a way out if I can grenade them. What is that? Why did it bounce like that? You're like, what am I can't do anything. No! No! Yes, absolutely. Okay, we're winning this one. We're winning this one, lads. I'll probably split these into separate videos. So that was the end of that video. That was great. I hope you all enjoyed this great video. It was great. Yeah. Subscribe and like too. Both.